guys, this is the moment we all been waiting for. So, need to be careful with that. I don't know if we're gonna edit that, because I'm really not a video professional, so it depends if I'm gonna have my team editing that or not, guys. But it's my first real luxury watch. Customary wristwatch check. I don't know if it's the good. I've been looking for the past 2 months, guy. I have probably thousands of hours of video on Rolex and watch, and they always does that. So it's a $200 watch that I actually have since more than 4 years. It's not even running anymore, but I love this watch. I love this watch, and I used to think that it was a shame because I had a $200 watch and I love it, and it's not. I don't even think like it's a Swiss movement, right? But I realized that some collector have $100 watch, and the history of the watch or the history of person related to that watch is worth something. So there's another layer, guys. That's fine. I understand why they even gave me a hat. So shout out to Diamond East International. I bought it from Chrono 24, but the seller was Diamond East International. So if it's a fake watch, you're on the spot, man. Kidding. So thanks a lot. Is the light good? Yeah. The light seems good. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting very close. Now it starts to look a little bit more like a luxury package. We're getting very close. Are you ready, guys? So, let me know in the comment right now. Take a guess in the comment before I take it off the box. What model it is. It is a Rolex. Okay? It is a Rolex. I don't know if you can see the crown. It is a brand new watch. Never worn. Supposed to have the box, the paper, everything in there. So I'm gonna pull it out first. Then after that, what is that? Did they even give me a mask? Oh, they gave me some mask as well. Yeah, we're not gonna do any comment on that, but thanks. Here we go. Here we go. Nice and clean. Are you ready? I am ready. Put in the comment what do you think it is. So. Even got the bezel protector. So I have the watch over here, but before we go into the actual watch, let's see what we got with the box. Gonna make you wait a little bit, guys, right? I have to. So like I seen in all those videos, guys, it's my first Rolex ever, but so I don't know what I can show and not show, but basically this is what you get. So you get a warranty thing, you get basically all of that. Okay, this is what I cannot show, I think. So basically get a card, a warranty card. in there with a beautiful green, I don't know if it's real leather, probably Rolex. You get this over here, a little booklet. And now let's go onto the real piece. All right, we're back. Now let's see the watch from closer. I think it's time to take off my watch. So I decided to go with the Jubilee bracelet. It's a 2020. Some people call it the Batgirl. I'm not gonna call it the Batgirl. It is a Batman with a Jubilee bracelet. I'm gonna do another video on that. My opinion on that. I don't think it's just people have said it themselves. It's just they are used to see a Batman on an oyster, but for some reason they say that the Pepsi on the Jubilee is perfect. Doesn't make sense. It's the same exact watch. There's just a difference in the color of the bezel. But hey, we're not here to talk about that. So, comes with obviously the beautiful thing over here. So after 4 or 5 years, when I bought this watch, $200 or $250, it was a big thing for me. I thought I was balling, right? I went with my business partner at the time and we both got ourselves a watch. He bought himself a Lacoste. I bought myself a Guess. But I love this watch. I love the color. I love black, as you can see. I love like how the bracelet is done. I love like the simplicity inside. I love the font, everything. So we have a bezel protector. The watch seems more smaller. The bezel protector, I think I need to take. We're gonna get back in a second. I need to take off the bezel protector and I'm not sure how, and I don't want to mess it up. Now, I know that I don't have the glove. I wanted to buy the glove, but for some reason I wasn't able. I actually just forgot. I wanted to buy some official glove. You know, those white linen glove or whatever they're made with. It's crazy. Time to put it on. It is actually smaller than I thought. But it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I don't even know like how to actually like take off the bracelet and everything. I'm a total newbie when it comes to this. I'm gonna need to pause the video, go look on YouTube how to open a Rolex watch, guys, cause I don't know. So there's a clap. I saw them in the video on YouTube. It looks simple, but I'm pretty sure I know how. Just gotta pull here, but I don't want to mess it up. So it was actually way easier than I thought. So now I feel kind of stupid a little bit. So now we got this baby open. So you guys see the inside. It is a brand new watch. Still got the sticker and everything on it. Have to put it on, my friend. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you don't follow me on my YouTube channel. Before we end this video, if you're new to this channel, so you can know basically how I was able to afford that